so much. Thank you so much for the match, Kum.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Salama.
Most I say congratulations. Yeah, angazi noma kuyongilungela. Angazi noma kuyongilungela mina. Angazi noma kuyongilungela mina. Yeah, angazi lapha engiyakhona Nkosi yami noma kuyongilungela. Yeah, angazi noma kuyongilungela. Yeah, bangazi noma kuyongilungela baphela. Yeah, angazi noma kuyongilungela mina. Awu. Angazi noma kuyongilungela. Yeah, angazi noma kuyongilungela. Yeah, bangazi noma kuyongilungela. Sanibona babe. Yes, umagwala nginayo iCreta. Thatha inamba yami kuyibhayo. Let's operate. Hello?
I don't play, okay?
Oh, Puma. Hey, ti. Khangiphorekile namhlanje. Angilambi angomi. Ngilambile. Ngilambile ngifuna ukudla oma. Ngilambile ngifuna ukudla oma. Ngilambile cha ngifuna ukudla. Hi.
Hi,
You good?
I'm good. Where are you
I'm from South Africa.
from? Okay, welcome.
Thank you. Mapemu, senyukeni ngamandla ke. Wo, ngutshele wemahle nje ngiyinkunzi nje nginandaba lento oyishoyo. Guys, I think I see a few of my snipers here. Mamtolo, I think Sothola wuwe fethu. Because you are the only recognized sniper here.
عرفت بتليفونات
Khuluma into engayizwa lo. Must uthini. Yeah, Mamtolo, La Vista, I think those are the only recognized. Khona last born, how are we getting child to corner? Come on guys, donuts. Come on, donuts. Angikwazi ukudliwa ekhona ama recognized Zungu nations. Ngeke. Ngivumi leyo. Angivumi leyo. Play donuts on speed, Mamtolo. Play donuts on speed. Mpilo, thank you so much, Pat. Ngicela siwafakeni ku speed ama donuts. Uma nje kukhona time something, sigijime ngama donuts amaningi. Kuzosisiza lokho. Singawafaki kusase kanje kwamanje everybody play roses. 20 roses, 30 roses, 100 roses, as many roses as possible. Up until Kana colleague yami la iyacomplain ithi kubantu ekhuluma nabo efonini musana unginike inkinga engaka yazi ngina 21 guys, two roses oh so my god guys, one rose and somebody send a rose to reach the target. Come on, one rose, let's go. Somebody send a rose. Thank you so much. All right, there's gonna be times 2. Kulo times 2 below Mamtolo and all my snipers. Ngicela sihambeni ngama-donuts nama-caps, donuts and caps, because it's gonna be on speed. Nakia, it's times 2. Asigijime ngama-donuts. Can we move high? Can we move high, guys? Can we move high? 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 Let's go. Asambeni, can I see donuts? Can I see donuts? Let's move. Let's move. Let's move. Let's move. Bafethu uyozophela times 2 bese kubanze mthi sibaleke. Asibalekeni kusawu times 2. Zuzi usukhona asambeni ngama donuts. Thank you so much. Asambeni donuts guys, let's move. 20 seconds. Mamtolo nithuleleni mathuta nginiboni nje ngamanje. Nizofuna ukuvela ungasekho speed. Fana bese ndiza kusawu speed bafethu. Kanti igame anisayazi nisidlalwa kanjani. Niyazi nje ku speed sithola ama gifts amaningi. Igifts oyifaka iphinde yakabili. Angazi. Ngazi noma kuyo ngilungile. Asameni bafethu double tap the screen thina abanye. Ngeke sibaningi ukuthi we would have 31,000 double tappers. I feel like sibaningi kakhulu for that. Kana bese hundreds manje. Asameni bafethu double tap the screen. Let's send donuts, let's send roses. Angazi ngibiza ubuhle. Waza. Siyadliwa la. Waza. Waza. Bize bani. Bize Linda. Waza. Siyadliwa la. Yini ibamfuna yami? Kunjwa kubani? Christ, Sarah. Let's move guys, let's move guys. Sarah. Now, Sarah Christ. Haibo, what happened? Mamtolo, thank you so much. What is connected in Lona Samshire? How? Ngifuna ungitshele iqiniso uma ngikubuza la. Buza ndoda. Thank you so much Mamtolo. You fought for us. I saw that. Yini wena? Thank you so much Mamtolo. I think you got yourself a glove. Ngicela ucinga ukuthi awunayo ni glove. Please check if you got yourself a glove. Halela nje ukoki inkinga manje ngwabona ama snipers azungu. Ngiyambona Mamtolo khona. Mamtolo, yabona kodwa ukuthi hello.
Hello, hello. Romy, thank you so much for pretty words. Where are you from?
South Africa. Double tap the screen guys, let's move. Yeah, let's double tap the screen. Let's play roses. Mamtolo bonile kodwa ukuthi leya mpahla ukubuyifaka ku speed. Ngilibheka kuphi? Thinta the box your gifter. Eduze kwakhona kuzovela u-exclusive. Ngale ka-exclusive konto encane ezovela lapho uthinte lonto encane kuzovela inqindi epinki ke lapho. Awucheck ukuthi awulitholi ni lapho. Double tap the screen guys, let's go. It's times 2 guys, donuts. It's times 2 guys, donuts. Asambeni bafethu. Where is the Zungu Nation? La Vista kumphatha kabi ukuthi ukhona but anguboni unyakaza. Kanti ngithembele kini ukuthi angeke ngishawe nike. Yabo nje Zungu Nation imkahle Mamtolo lapha uzuzi ufortunate uLa Vista. Bese kuba ke iZungu Nation enganyakazi namhlanje. Nabo siphela lapha bakhona. Kodwa They're not playing. Nangikhanya ibhengu lapha. Siyadliwa njengamanje. They are not playing. Hamba ngale side lakhe mntakwethu ufika umlalele khona. Yeah, uyalaleleka ngakuye. Double tap the screen guys, let's move. Niyabo siyadliwa njengamanje. It's not nice. Cha alikho. Yabo nje. 2 roses guys to reach the target. 2 roses to reach the target. 2 roses. Please share the live to Uthuli guys. Share the live to Unomfundo Shezi. Share the live to Ubuhle Zama Ndoniyamanzi. Guys, come on, let's move. Somebody Buffett, double tap the screen, let's move. Everybody send the rows. Let's try to catch up. Yasikwelethisa njengamanje kuzoba nzima ukumbamba uma sekuno times 2 because uzovela ndize mawala. Kanti ngcono mayithi uyandize sesifikile kuye sindize naye. Ulithole duze nama coins kune sign ye glove. Uchofe kuyo. Yabo nje lento pink. Aphe. Woza la. Double tap the screen. Yena la. Guys, it's times 2, let's move high. It's times 2, let's move high. Yo, asibengikhulumelana lengane ngiyadliwa manje. Come on guys, I need a gun machine to win this live match. Ngilibe nokupepereza indaba lana Nkosi yami manje ngiyadliwa. Guys, cela sisnipeni. Cela sisnipeni please. Cela sisnipeni nje. Last 20 seconds, let's do the most. Asanda, ngiyanibona nikhona madoda. Please snipe. Please snipe. Ngeke angikwazi ukudliwa madoda. La iglove ingaphuma masuwina le match iglove sizoba naye. Kuzoba lula ukuthi sibadleke lapha. Sidinga nje igun machine eyodwa. Imani gun bafethe eyodwa nje. Lento oyiphinde eqaleni noma mtola uyiphinde phela. Autolicious awuyiphinde lento oyenzile. Ngakuyiphinde. Ish. Simphindeni guys besinganakile. Let's go again for a last one. Siyangisaba. Let's play a last one.
Okay, only one game.
Ish. Madoda sadliwa. Nami ngilibele ukukhuluma ngapha. Ish. Uyabonaka. Ish. Uyabonaka. Sendliwe. Ngilimaze kakhulu lento bangishawe phambi kwenu. Ngicela sikhokhise ngomunye nathi. We can't afford to lose, guys.
Okay. Hi.
You good?
Yes. How about you?
I'm okay.
Okay, let's go.
Uthweleni manje nangu uthwele itshe. Asishani nangu uthwele itshe bafowethu ngeke. Ngidliwa kanjani ola Vista bekhona? Hayi madoda. Hayi madoda. Moya wami ujabule masenza kanje. Moya wazungu nation is not okay makunje. Awufake nje cap khona manje sivele sigijima. Faka nje cap isi. Sigijime kusamanje nje nangu Yolanda kwangcono. Yolanda besilinde wena thina uzosiwinisa. Sazi wena thina ninomusa. Bafethu, let's move high. Indlela nje ngidliwe ngayo angithandanga bengamele ngidliwe kule match. Bengamele ngidliwe kule match. Come on, let's move guys. Double tap the screen, let's go. Double tap the screen guys, let's move. Yes. Uno level 34 ngali ngakuye bafethu lo muntu lo. Shothi une sniper nje sinzima. Uyedwa futhi umuntu wakhe. Uno level 34. Asambeni baphem. Sinyakazini mawala. Sinyakazini mawala madoda. Three roses guys to reach lento ebizwa nge-target. Wonke umuntu asende rose nje sorry target. Phela into engafuni sole ngayo le i-target. Funa nje iphele manje. Ama roses awu 3 guys, just one umuntu asende rose ayodwa. Sorry target. Masingayireach target. Suthola times 3. Come on guys, come on. How? Hayi madoda ama-rose nje amathathu. Ngovala lo live. Angisayidlali le match. Ayokugcina imatch engidlalayo. Sadliwa nje futhi la ngiyavala. Ayikutefana le. Hawu, ngathi sifaka ama-donuts, sifaka sesingahlulwa i-rose elilodwa. Kahle nokuganga madoda. Shothi nifuna ngidliwe ngenhloso. Labantu bazoba no times 2. Thina ngesibe nawo, nge-rose lelilodwa. Kahle sekumele ngingawadlala ama-match emini, ngeke. Akwenzeki. Bukani bafethu nangu umuntu esishaya. Eplaza sina chance yezo. Uno times 2 lo muntu. Thina sinawo times 2. Fana besigijima ngama-donuts ke manje. Can we run ngama-donuts at least? Sizama ukuketch up igap. Lo muntu uno times 2. Thank you so much, Yolanda. Let's go, guys. Donuts. Can we catch up with donuts? Just catch up with my donuts. Ngumhlobo wami Jesu. Yazi umudlala kamnandi uba happy umuwini. Yabo umudliwa vele kohle ne-energy ngitshele. Vele kohle ne-energy ihlale phansi kwaGogezula. On the floor ngitshele. Umudliwa ayikho umuntu enjoy ukudliwa. Guys nangedlula. Bafethu uyazidlula lo muntu udlalelwa umuntu oyedwa. Uyabona nje thina masingathi nje manje igane egcineni. Sithi nje manje igane egcineni. Sizodlula kuleya namba. Okwamanje simkhupeni ngama-roses bafethu. Nama-donuts simkhupeni ngama-roses nama-donuts. Simkhube sekuthi egcineni nje. Kube khona nje uzovela caso wathi qhu imani igane. Simkhupeni kakhulu nje ngama-donuts namalokhunjani. Yabona nje egcineni ufuna nje qhu imani igane. Bese siyabaleka. Asimsondeleni madoda. Nanga ama-donuts phela, nanga ama-donuts. Afethu ngavuma ngidliwe. Okay, faka manigane. Monica. Hey, msongijwala wena mlungu. Uzongivezela amarhino bana ngumuntu omnyama. Racist. Hey, ishe ngafa mina. Abantwana bangaka mina. Disco light mina. Yonke ngibone mina. Abantwana bangaka mina. Bafethu. Akumnandi, ngiyapretend.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm okay. Double tap the screen, guys. Let's go. Wow, sawubona wentombi yokugcina. Uyaphila. Bafethu, let's share the life. Umuhle lo bhuti. Kodwa uyadliwa. Nanguthule ba online sengizovulela isibhaxu nami. Ngiyaphila bhuti njani? Angikho right ngiyadliwa. Unini ngidliwa sengaze ngikhathele. Share the life to Thuli, guys. Sengizovulela isibhaxu mina. Sengizovulela isibhaxu mina. Unini ngidliwa? Ekugcineni sengizoke ngihleki nami. Ekugcineni Nkosi yami. Buy in wesizwe abantu. Ungangilingi. Ungangiqala nje ufuna ngidliwe. And everything that comes to mind. No, it's true. Is a picture. Let's go, guys. Double tap the screen. Ubonile Nthulu sesu A2 ucabanga ngenxa ukuthi azidlalanga izona. Bathi amandla bengekho shema. Bengingenawo, bengizoquleka. Ishayise lo muntu. Ishayise ke lo muntu. 4 roses, guys. Ningayenzi into esenze ekuqaleni but sidliswa ukuthi besingenawo times 2. Ningayenzi bafethu, please. Lama roses awu 4. Leya sekuqaleni esidlisile hayi ningayenzi ngeke madoda. 3 roses to go. Kwangathi ngifuna ukuyiphinda nje lenenzini. Nganisola nje. One more rose to go. One more rose. Sikhona uMampungo sekunjani? Double tap the screen, guys. It's gonna be a times 3, ne? Ayekelo times 3 na ama donuts, ama kepis, ama gun machine, guys, ama galaxy. Zame nje ukubaleka. Sizame nje ukubaleka. Nama roses zonke nofake, ngifake kwasana. One glove kodwa ukuthi ngathi ayikho kwamanje. Times 3, guys. Let's go. Donuts, caps, gun machines. Let's move. Let's move, bafethu. Let's move, bafethu. Nangu nonka. Nonka times 3 manje madoda. Sambeni ngama donuts, ngama caps. Big things. Come on. Izungineshinja la inqene ukuyeka nje lo times 3. Sewudinga ukuthi usebenzise. Bavele bawuyeke nje. Bayisendela ama rose bengayingeni indaba. Guys, I need donuts and caps. Times 3 uyaphela. Do you know instead of sending ama roses out there, you can just send 1 donut. Izophindeka u3 lonto. Asambeni bafethu, hawu madoda. Akudlale kwezo. Akudlaleki inhlobo. Yeah, but that's a hint, guys. Instead of sending 30 roses, you can send 1 donut. Zongo ngihappy la. Uhappiswa yini ngiyadliwa mina uyahappy wena. Ngiyagula mina uyahappy. Wena asengubona i-visita sami lokhi. Yini makwenzeka into ezimbi kimi bese wena uthi uhappy. Kade uthi ujabuliswa ukuthi bengigula angivune. Kungakwehleli. Into engiyoyitshakadula. Ukade kungakuhleli. Okwehlela uZungu. Watch out guys, isnipe sala singaqhuma sihlale ku5. So watch out. Watch out guys. Angungcame. Guys, watch out. Thank you so much when I assemble. You fought a good fight for me. Thank you so much. Bantu babone. Oh,
Hi.
wanna play?
Okay. Ayo. Koy nói nó okay chứ mình chỗ này nè nghe.
Khala manzi njengentombi. Kubuhlungu lokho. Kuyaswela. Ngiyakuthanda le nhlobo. Uyayibona ukuthi ngithanda mawala. Mama. Uthi mama wami kuyaswela. Double tap the screen guys, let's go. Donuts times 2. Ngicela amadonati mina. Uthi ngicela amadonati mina. Ngicela amadonati mina. Sengicela amadonati mina. Hithi ngicela amadonati mina. Sengicela wageja wena unkana. Awugeja times 2 ngedonati cabanga ndoda. Asulinde ukuthi uzobuya. Mina wezungu ngikweleta isithombe sami nawe ngisenquthu njalo. Yobe ngifiyela ubani enquthu. Uboze emondlo, uyongithola emondlo. Ilayo yami inyukile. Like in what sense? Isiyabiza. Noma uthini inyuke kanjani? 2 roses guys, 2 roses. 2 roses. Cha woza nje bhuti enquthu kulini. Ningilindele iphi ningangiqashile. Hawubiziswa yini manje? Akabeni mfethu uyamsaba noShenga manzini. Makwenziwani manje? Yamsaba makwenze njani? Times 3 coming up guys, times 3 coming up. Times 3 naye guys, can I have lawa amadonut ayinqwaba ke? Cela la amadonut ayinqwaba. Lawa ama-donuts madoda, lawa ama-donuts. Can I have lawa ama-donuts lawana bengiwacelile ekuqaleni? 20 seconds to go. Ama-donuts babhemu. Hey mama wami kuyaswela. Somewhere in madoda. Siyabonga ntombi yokugcina Shem. Thank you so much. Do I follow you? Yes, I do, at least. Siyabonga uzabalazile. Let's move. Let's move. Hey! Ngiyakuzwa Peter ngisodithi. Thina abanye double tap screen ke. Nakho kuyasiza bafethu. Double tap screen. Athi ngisiwele nje ngodlala nokoki ngamakhulu amabomu. Khona ngifuna ukumcasula. Koku uzosidla une smoke mina smoke angina. Nangu Rainy. Hello Rain. Double tap the screen guys, let's move. Let's move. You're good? I'm very much okay. I'm very much okay. How are you? Happy to see you on my side. Thank you so much for the match. Oh, Rain, you got yourself a glove and a lightning. Yes, you got yourself a glove and a lightning. Let's look for someone else. Hello?
Hi.
Good?
Yeah.
Can I play
What?
this match?
Okay.
Oh, it's just passing by. Okay. No problem. Thank you so much. Okay, I will drop the glove before I leave. Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. But on the second speed, not this one, the second one. Guys, double tap the screen. Let's move. Donuts and caps. Can you play with donuts and caps? Donuts and caps. Donuts and caps. Thank you so much, Nonka. That's a big play. Do I follow Nonka? I have to. Yes, I do. At least. Oh, mama. Guys, Tinabanya, let's double tap the screen and send gifts. As small as roses, donuts, caps, money guns. Why ain't some money guns up here? Like I said, oh, guys, it's even times 3. So on the glove, there's gonna be a glove. You touch the glove, you put as many donuts as possible. Because as we shout times 5, then it's gonna be easy for us to like snipe up. So don't get a glove. Sit in the glove. Sifama donuts. It's a gun machine. 2 roses, guys, from 2 people. Let's reach the target. Da. Can I have 2 roses from 2 people? Yes, 1 rose. All right. Target's reached. Thank you so much. So there's going to be times 3, guys. On times 3, let's ensure to do the most. Because we touch the glove, we move high. We touch the glove, we send donuts. You touch the glove, we send donuts. We send gun machines. It's times 3, so everything you send right now is going to be multiplied by 3. You feel that? Yep. Mama. Yebo mama wami kuyaswela. Right, times 3, guys. Let's move. On the glove, there's a glove, guys. Touch the glove, send more donuts, send money guns, send galaxies as high as possible. Let's go, guys. It's times 3. So it's in the glove, let's go. 14 seconds to go. Let's move. 7 seconds. That was too quick. Shit. Kamageba. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. There's still the glove. Touch the glove, Sambin. Thank you so much, Noka. What? This girl just left the live like that. Hello.
Hi, Sibo. Unjani?
Ngiyaphila mama unjani?
Ngiyaphila. Cela ungishaye.
Hayibo. Ubani uthenge smoke?
You always have. Guys, please double tap the screen. Angazi, yes.
Double tap the screen please. Lento besoyenza ngalena ngicela sizame ukuyenza ngapha even though smoke singenaso. But sihlanganise nje amandla seni khona amadoda. Wabaleka buhlungu. Hayi ubonile ukuthi ziyakhala nje manje usizile wabaleka bezimkhalela strong.
Guys, please double tap the screen.
Double tap the screen guys, it's ×2. Uyiceleleke udadewethu wathi ucela simshaye. Singamxoleli ke no peace no miss no remorse. Asimbulaleni ngenduku. Hey sholo yena. Hawu. Ucela induku asimnike induku. Oh, ucela akaphiwe Nkosi yami, ucela akaphiwe ngani zami. Come on kids. Let's go. Hawu khona ngisho uNdlunkulu madoda indlovukazi. Hawu. Ndaba. Mageba. Hawu suka madoda. Ngiyazazi ukuthi ngisuke ngigqisha impela ke mangigqishe nezami ke lapha madoda. Suka. Double tap the screen guys, let's move.
Guys, akina silo guys, kopalen sniping.
Yabona lento ayikupayo ngale. Siyikupeke nathi ke ngapha. Nathi siyikupa ke leyo kusinayishelwa. Nathi ngapha kuno ×3 ozayo madoda. There's a ×3 coming up.
Guys, can I please have 2 roses?
Ngidinga amalozi amabili nje. Ukulisha
Guys, 2
title.
roses.
Ngifayele nje imbali ezimbili sizothola
Guys, let's
×3.
try.
Sizothola ×3. Nakho ke madoda. Bafowethu. Ngoba ikhaya lokho. Ngizodinga
Yeah, but can I
nje
please have a
gifts
rose,
as possible
madam?
on ×3.
If you have, guys, 2 roses.
Phela ubaleke ngempela. Noma sibaleke ngempela sothola iglava ngithi ekugcineni.
Guys, please
yeah.
send me.
Hayi kaMageba, that was too early. That was too early. ×3 awukaqali. Shit. Ngizokutshela
Thank you,
masuqalile.
Sabine. Thank you,
Ngizokutshela
madam. Guys, one
masuqalile.
more.
But that was a big move. Thank you so much. Chances are
Guys, can I
high.
please have a rose, please?
Chances are high uzophuma neglove.
One
Double tap the
rose.
screen guys. Asambeni ngama roses. Uyazi ×3 awukaqali ngizokutshela masuqalile. Hawu. Ezami khona nomamtolo. Oh. Ucele induku nononka, untombi yokugcina asanda we. Uyicelela induku asimniki. Asimniki induku. Uyifunile madoda ×3. Naku ku ×3. It's only 20 seconds guys. Let's move. Big gift. Let's go. Donuts, money cans. Galaxies if it's possible. Let's go guys. Somebody snipe. Nakya. Yo, nalento ebengikhuluma. Uyicelile induku madoda asimniki. How madoda, how? When somebody asks, we shall give, but we shall grant. Sinomoya muhle like mnikeni madoda. Nakhuya. Ayifunile makathole. Oh. Khona madoda. Kamageba. Awu suka madoda.
Guys, who has a glove?
Ndlunkulu.
Who has a glove, guys?
Ndlunkulu.
Let's put it
Lokho
up last
akufunayo
30
nathi
seconds.
siyakufuna. Lokho akufunayo nathi siyakufuna. Oyicelile
Guys, let's
makani.
put it glove last 30 seconds. Glove enemies.
Alright ke ngoba sinayi glove thina. Cela silungisa ama gift amakhulu ufuna ukusniper ngo last 30 seconds. Sayivumela lonto le sizungu nation. Mayike nje wafaka iglove sigijima ngama maligani, sigijima ngama galaxy, sigijima ngama whale. Yonke into enkulu. Mayike wafaka nje iglove siyabaleka.
Guys, glove last 30 seconds. Glove enemies.
Wayifaka nje iglove. Wayifaka seyifaka. Induku endukwini noma doda isongeso uyicelela induku. Awu. Wayicela uzonikwa. Njengamanje sikhuphukeni ngama donuts. Donuts.
Guys, glove last 30 seconds.
Asambe noma wafaka nje iglove baleka. Wafaka nje iglove siyabaleka.
Thank you.
Ufuna induku somnika. Hayibo, ufunani induku? Somnika. Akakhumbula umfana wamadoda mase ufuna ukushawa. Sokushaya. Ima kanje eduze kwegift yakhe enkulu ngathi ifake nje mina gijime ngayo. Umkanje eduze kwayo manje.
Thank you, Tabuo. Thank you so much.
Ufaka nje iglove siyahamba. Walokotha nje wathi glove siyahamba.
Does anyone want to send me a flying jet?
Lento ayishoyo singayivumi. Sizinkunzi. Zithi inkunzi.
Please send me a flying jet.
Okay. Ngishilo ngathi kaMageba uzophuma neglove. Glove and a lightning.
Thank you so much.
Glove and a lightning. Thank you so much to my MVP, everyone, from the double tappers, from the roses to the gifters, to everyone, the moral support. Thank you so much, guys. You wanna go again?
Bye-bye.
ukaMageba uthole iglove. ukaMageba ureach member level 12. Thank you so much. Hawu siyabonga mntoda. Hawu nkulu. Ndlovukazi. Awu suka madoda. Awu suka madoda ngane kakhanyile. Suka. Uthola iglove yabona kusibhaxuke manje sosidedela. Sine glove. Guys, we have a glove. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Ukuthi whoever uzodlala nathi uzobhekana nenkinga. Noma athi ubani uzodlala nathi uzobhekana neproblem.
Hello, Simone. How are you?
I'm good.
I'm good, thank you. How are you? We go one and done?
Yep.
O grupi kam 6 fitore.
Oh, look akushoyo madoda. Bro, are you the one who's a poet? That's true. I'm a poet, my guy. I'm a professional poet. Come on, guys. Double tap the screen. It's ×2. Asibaleke kusa'eli. Uyashona unani lapho? Ufika wathi uhappy. Usuyashona unenkinga nje namhlanje. Kade uhleka ukuthi ngiyagula wena, uhleka ukuthi ngiyadliwa, uhleka ukuthi ngibuyele ku level A2. Kade uhleka wena. Guys, let's move. Let's move, guys. U×2 ngama donuts. I'll level up. Awuzweke. Double tap the screen. Out the screen. Double tap the screen. Out screen. Oh, double tap screen. Ngisho screen. Aha. Khuluma umuntu omdala. Uthini umuntu old? Kuyo lesi silima futhi siphuphu kuletho le. Guys, there is a ×3 coming. Do you get to understand that? So fake glove, yes. Must fake glove. Sithinta iglove, sifaka ama-mannequins. You understand ukuthi i-mannequin eyodwa kuyi-glove izobe isibeka kubani. Uzophapha induku lo akasazi kahle. Ufuna induku uzoyithola. 2 roses. Come on. I can't wait. Guys, come on. Bafethu ama roses awu2. Nakho-ke. Siyabonga madoda. kaMageba uyakhumbula ngithi iglove ifakwaphi? Yebo ngiyayidinga iglove. Hey, basniper laba. We-Ingwe. Uyakhumbula ngithi ufika uthinta the box yokugifta kube khona exclusive. Ngale kwa exclusive content encane uyayithinta kuzovela iglove lapha. Uyithinte lo glove immediately maqala nje u×3 ngizokutshela mase uqalile awaqala. Awunazo. kaMageba sesikhonani. Ngisaba ke manje mathule kanje mhlawumbe akasekho. Kanti le glove le sayidinga. Nakha cela ufake iglove kaMageba. Put the glove on. Weshwele. kaMageba akasekho la endlini. Guys, can I get a money gun and caps? Money guns and caps. Yes. Guys, money guns and caps. Let's go. Money guns and cabs. Shit, sengijabule nje. But ke double tap the screen guys asihambeni money guns and cabs. Asidlaleni thina sikhona. Yeah, bafethu, come on, bafethu, sibambisaneni. That wasn't a good performance on ×3. Fanele senze something. Come on, Zoom Nation. Don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. Opus P. Uyabathwala bakhe. Yabahola endleleni. Uyabathwala bakhe. Ntombazana ngizokubhonya. Noma ungaze uthatha iphenti ulenze iskipa ngokubhonya nje. Ngeke bengihlule ukubona uMamhlongo mina. Ngokubhonya nje. Uma ngelona iphenti iphingalo esibili. Double tap the screen guys, let's move. Yazi umuntu engishaya njalo. Guys, come on, let's move. Come on, let's move. Somebody snipe. Somebody snipe this. Somebody snipe, guys. Don't do no time 6 on my win. So sengozini nje. Thank you. Thank you. Spesh, you got yourself a glove and a lightning. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Guys, acela siyodlalana. Afethu ngeke. Yabo lo muntu ube besinayipile besidliwe. Sidlale yancane kakhulu ngeke. Ube sinayipile lo muntu besibulewe ngenduku thina. You understand? So guys, Spesh, are you still here, Spesh? Spesh, are you still here? Yaphila mva umlungisi ihamba kanjani mfowethu? Ingumlilo lento futhi ngamandla lento ivalelwe ngaphakathi kimi. Yo, sanibonani, you are welcome guys, join the team. You are very much welcome. Double twins. Okay.
These levels. Sibon, how are you doing?
What's up?
Sibono.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to mute you, okay?
No problem, Chief.
Okay.
Asambeni amadoda. Amadoda, uyinkinga umuntu edlala naye, uyinkinga umuntu edlala naye, watch out. Ayibabhema ibambisane ke manje. Ayibambisane bafethu, inkinga umuntu edlala naye. Edlala naye inkinga amadoda. ×3 right now. Please do something major. It's ×3 guys. It's ×3. Can somebody just snipe early as possible? Ngegun machine. Or ngekepisi noma ngehweli. Into enkulu bafethu, ngiyacela. U×3. Touch the glove ke. Touch the glove usheshe wayifaka kodwa yazi. Touch the glove, gift gun machine. Yo, usheshile kodwa. Guys, touch the glove. Let's play donuts on the glove. Let's play a lot of donuts on the glove. Play donuts on the glove, guys. Come on. Thank you so much. Play donuts on the glove. Hey, let's see. We still a glove. Bengamele usheshe uyifake. Guys, othola iglove mazidlala ngicela lalele mina angilinde ngimtshela ukuthi akafake iglove ke manje. Because yabona nje manje ufaka iglove sekusele 11 seconds. There's no way ukuthi we can catch that glove. Yeah, boy. Kwispeed sokuqala simfaka iglove, sifaka ispeed sesibili. Wash. Bukani. Ngisayisho nje indaba ukuthi the glove mase bayashesha ukuyifaka. Okay guys, 3 people to gift. Play on the glove, please. Play on the glove. I'm donuts on the glove because there's already a glove. Please play donuts on the glove. Please play donuts on the glove, guys. Somebody send the last rose. Come on, take it. Yes, the glove level so if I go times 3. Guys, rose yokugcina, please. Just one last rose. So ngiyaphinda futhi guys to every Kamakeba, you elevated to level 23 now. Thank you. That's nice. Guys, let's snipe manje. It's times 3. So everything you send is multiplied by 3. If you have a glove, please send it. If you have a glove, please send it. Can machines would do. Gine booster machine. Ifake ne booster. Bese ufaka igift enkulu izophindeka. Faka ibooster. Ifake. Ngapsatype aya siyadliwa guys, siyadliwa ke manje. It's times 3 guys. Let's fly. Come on. Is there anyone with a gun machine? Everything you send is multiplied by 5 njengamanje. Please send a gun machine. Let's go. Everything you send is multiplied by 5 perfect. Gun machine, please. Thank you so much for playing hard, guys. Let's go. Uyasondela lo muntu ingozi. Masimiya kanje uzozidlula. Masimiya kanje uzozidlula, guys. Let's move. Let's go. I just checked his profile. They will snipe. Guys, they will snipe. Baqeda check your profile yakhe yathi ngibo. Yeah, no level 34 level yeah, now bazo sniper bafethu. Can we play hard? I don't know if it's possible. Last 30 seconds. Can somebody send ngicela umuntu ozosenda noma iGalaxy. Bazo sniper labo bantu bano level 34 ngali. Sizodliwa. Ngena Google uthi TikTok coins noma ungena uthi get coins bese kuzovela ka TikTok kuyangena lapha ehle. Guys, njengamanje nange sniper ke lo muntu uzo sniper njengamanje. Guys, please somebody send a gift enkulu sibaleke. Please somebody send a gift enkulu sibaleke madoda. Uyeza lo muntu nangeza bafethu so ufake ne glove bafethu Thuli. Let's go. I just saw there's a Thuli in. Guys, somebody snipe this. They are trying to snipe right now. They are trying to snipe right now, guys. They are trying to snipe, guys. Come on. Come on, bafethu. Bafethu, nangebuya. Ha. Oh, finally. Damn. That was a close call. Kamakeba, you got yourself a glove and a hammer. Thank you so much to my MVP, all the tappers, and everyone who was playing. Thank you so much.
This Oliver Twist. Fresh Flower, Josie, Olori, man like Tony, Belumi, Miss Olayinka, Kingsman.
Kwazukudlala nalo bafethu yasniper kakhulu. Afika, you're welcome to the team. Let's play with someone else. Hey guys, please be alert. Ngicela on a glove, Kamakeba uthola iglove. Ngicela ulalele mina ukuthi ngithi uyifake nini. Ungasheshe uyifake. Wena uyifaka la singakayidingi khona. Mase silayo. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
With yourself?
I'm good. It's very slow for me right now.
Same as me, hey. Kodwa lona oseyixilo ngumzimba kanjena yini? Double tap the screen ngifake nami. Ufakani manje na? Double tap the screen, guys. Let's move with roses, donuts, roses and donuts right now because it's times 2. Ungalifaki glove Kamakeba. Ngizokutshela mase ngizilifake. Ungalifaki. Guys, let's move high. Let's move high. Let's go, guys. Donuts. Can I see donuts? Can I see donuts? Zungu uyabhora. Ube right, mampinch. Ube right. Times 2, guys. Let's go. Times 2, guys. Let's go. Double tap the screen. Double tap the screen. Let's go. Hey, cabangani nje umzimba kaNkulunkulu. Hayi uNkulunkulu hayi umuntu aleke ithempeli laNkulunkulu nje hayi. Anginankinga mina nokuyidweba kodwa leke ithempeli laNkulunkulu njene. Awu. Ngathi kuse art center. Akayidwebile kanje ngine glove ngine booster. Yes. Save it for now. Ngizothi mangithi ifake bese uyakufaka ku2, ne? Uzoqala ngeglove. Yes. Bese iboost uyayisave uzoyifaka last 30 seconds, you understand? Ungaqala ufake iglove uzozwa nga when ufake iglove usingakayidingi. Guys, come on, 3 roses to reach the target. Let's go. I need 3 roses to reach the target. That's what you're 2 roses to go, guys. 2 roses. Thank you so much for reaching the target. Now it's the time for the glove, guys. No more roses. You touch the glove, you play donuts. Put the glove game and Jake. It's time for the glove. It is the day for the glove. Glove. Nakia, now it's a glove puzzle, guys. You touch the glove, play as many donuts as possible. Gun machines and nail go on my capes. Come on, guys, 20 seconds to go. Touch the glove, let's move. I can't money gun sbalek, sasa early. On the money gun just balek. Please, guys. 16 seconds to go. Yabuya lo yamuntu futhi. Uzodlula lo yamuntu. Come on, bafethu. Times 3 uyaphela. Usificile lo muntu, guys. Usificile wazidlula futhi manje. Zung Nation, come on. Come on, Zung Nation, come on. We can't lose this match. Niaz say ding a glove, so if we lose this match, we're not getting a glove. Come on, guys, let's go. Come on, let's go, guys. Come on, let's go, guys. Come on, let's go, guys. I need somebody who's gonna snipe for us. Snipe. Yes, as no level 25 esayidini lakhe so sisenkingeni vele. Ngicela umuntu ozosnipe kusase manje. Sigijime sohlala kuma 1000 please. Ngicela umuntu ozosikhandela nje ama 1000 coins kuzoba nzima ukufika kuye. But uyakwazi ukufika unama snipers. Mamtolo, buya ndoda. Buya fwethu, buya. Come on, Africa. Thank you so much. Let's go, guys. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Let's move. Let's move. Let's move. Time to play game manje. Isi fact up ke madoda. Nange baleka baphemu, nange baleka madoda. Nange baleka madoda. Ningamiyeki phela. Uzothi mesuka vele faka ibooster ke manje. Ifake ibooster manje, fake ibooster manje. Ulate. Qisha ibooster. Yonke into guys oyifakayo izobe boostekile. Ngihlushwe isignal. Ilapho sizodliwa njengamanje. Nangedlula guys. Oyihema nakho ke. Guys snipe ke. Uthola ihema nangomfazi manje. Simponye ngehema umfazi lona. Somebody snipe ke manje. Come on guys. Come on guys. Come on guys. Let's go. Guys, we are siyadliwa. Gun machine. We sadliwa. Sadliwa umuntu ethola ihema. Flip. Hi, my daughter. Well, thank you so much for the match. Thank you so much for the match.
So much, babies. My Cash App tag is.
Where's it? La mfana wami, mfana omlungu. Ungazi la uzofuna abaqwayizi la ku live wami abekho abaqwayizi la wena sanamabhish yes shuthi njengamanje get out here on my life your piece of angayisho lento kodwa nje get out la wena stop writing udoti la wena sanamabhish how uzofuna abaqwayizi ku live wami lo akuhle namhla ngeke akuhle kabili hey madoda angazi kwenzakalani buya ngazathi ngidle kabili namhlanje maningi amathuba ukuthi angiphinde ke wangidla ngathi maningi amathuba ukuthi angiphinde namhlanje angazi kwenzakalani angazi kwenza njani manje zingination kwenzakalani madoda hello
Hello, hi.
you good
У него, что вы знали,
khona ntambama ngizobalanda
873.
come on guys let's go let's go guys times 2 on the clock let's go ngama donuts at least let's play with donuts right now it's times 2 on the clock there is times 2 on the clock donuts come on asambeni baphem asambeni madoda double tap the screen guys let's move there's gonna be times 3 that is coming guys no times 3 ngiyacela siunyakazise mawala guys my one-man show is coming up on the 29th of November next month guys 4 roses from each just one person send 1 rose I need 4 roses so each person send 1 rose hey bekwenzakalani manje amarose angena kodwa wabali come on guys 4 roses real quick bafethu is it the network or what guys we're not reaching the targets come on kwenzakalani amarose angena but ngwabone bala kwenzakaleni angi-understandanga kwenzakaleni bafethu angibonanga ayibhalanga nanokuthi i-target asirichanga kodwa ama-rose bengiwabone ngena kodwa futhi manje angibonanga bhala ukuthi i-target reached what happened ay wahlanya yona ngani singani lo unobuqhophololo abenzayo loya esikhathi sidlala naye unokusa akwenzayo ayiveli ngapha ngakimi lento yokuthi si-reach targets noma sirichanga usuku ngishanga amahema khona ubuqhophololo abenzile I'm telling you hello let's go guys let's go asambeni sawubona mama ka MVP sawubona khona abantu abakuthandayo ku streamer yes ngalendlela ukuthi uzabiza igama lakhe ngomama ka MVP mama ka MVP ha guys uvela wafaka imani gun nana nifake phela eyodwa ngibone anifake neyodwa imani gun ngibone nje umlingo nje ngabe sayifaka ka isenaw times 2 uzoyifaka kulo speed olandelayo awasambeni Nkosi yami asambeni awasambeni. There's a 40 seconds bonus mission ezoqala izobe times 3. You understand ukuthi igun machine eyodwa izosibeka 1.5 coins. Siyadliwa njengamanje. We're not double tapping the screen enough, good people. We are not double tapping the screen enough. I need 3 roses. So each person send 1 rose, please, guys. Each person send a rose. Thank you so much, Masish. Thank you so much, Timbalami. Thank you so much, Lulwandle. Target's reached. Guys, it's gonna be times 3. So ngidinga nje umuntu ozovela athi Galaxy. Gun machines baleki. Cause untombazane ubukeka endiza. Nonceba, thank you so much. Sondwayo. Yeah, guys, good times 3. Cala nje money guns nje. Nama caps, nama donuts. Into enkulu so sheshe semdlule. Ha, lo muntu uyaqala. Uyasniper ngingakasondeli. Phela umuntu ushiya nge1000 lonke bafethu. Come on guys, 50 seconds bonus mission. Nangu no dolly. Come on guys, somebody snipe this. How our fans we've been winning, we can't lose this one. Just yabona imani gun lanje. Izosiza. Gun machine guys, let's move. Gun machines guys, somebody snipe this. Somebody snipe this guys. Come on guys, times 3 uyaphela bafethu. Hayi siphandle shem. Yabona namhlanje ke siphandle. Hey, what's happening? Sadliwa kangaka madoda. Sadliwa kangaka baphem. What's happening, guys? What's happening? What's going on? What's going on, guys? Let's go. Ngiqala kudliwa nje mina. Akekho nje ozosniper izungu nation madoda. Ukani lo muntu uhlele eduze kanjani? Hayi baphe masambeni. Sameni bafethu. Ngobile Zulu Luthuli, thank you so much for constantly liking the live. Thank you so much. Lo for liking Mamkhwanazi. Guys, bengicabanga ukuthi image yokugcina le ngeke. Sesidliwe kakhulu. Guys, sesidliwe kakhulu ngeke. Asibonene ebusuku, aniboni kanjalo? Sesidliwe mawala ngeke. Sabona kahle ebusuku madoda. Abantu bethu abekho, the fighters ala endlini. Ubani manje magama ngezandla? Yeah, guys, thank you so much for joining in. To everyone who was playing, from the double tappers, the roses players, up until the biggest gift. Gaboga, 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 cool.